Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Quatix 7 and today I'm going to show you how to change these straps on your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, you first need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this mechanism right here, this lever you can pull on, and basically you can pull it towards the strap, not towards the watch but towards the strap. And once you pull it, it lets you to push out the strap from the watch like this. So basically you pull on the lever right here. I don't know if you can see it, but basically it opens the space right here, and that allows you to push it out like this. And here we have our straps and our watch, and the straps are usually locked in on these pins or poles right here on each side. And to put them back on, it's also quite simple. You grab the strap, you position it like this at the angle, then just push it and it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple and quite fast. Same for the other side. So at the angle, push it in like this, and now these straps are attached. And that's how you change these straps on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.